Today, I'm on Lime Cresent, and I have the absolute pleasure of bringing to the market this generously proportioned semi-detached home, conveniently located within close proximity to the M5 motorway and offered to the market with the added benefit of no onward chain. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you're interested in arranging a viewing on this lovely home, or maybe evaluation of your property, then please do get in touch.